Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a quick video about Litecoin. I want to provide an update on this particular market because you guys can see from our price prediction, the market has went down versus what we were expecting it to do back here in the beginning of December. I can't say that we should not be surprised because we did identify that area right there as a seller's pocket, meaning that it was going to take a lot more emphasis and demand and buying for that price to break through this seller's pocket, in which you can see a couple of days into the price prediction, the market buyers attempted to do that and they were not successful. So again, that is the reason why price in Litecoin is currently trending down in price. And I wanted you all to see how on these days right here in Litecoin, we got these massive spread bars that's trending down. That all emphasizes who's controlling the price, which would be the sellers. The sellers are the ones who are moving the price action right now in Litecoin. So I wanted to talk to you all about what I think is about to happen now. Okay, will the buyers take control of the price in Litecoin right here at this pocket of buying here? If so, we may see a small pop, small lift higher in price, but I'm going to create a couple of more sellers pockets so we can try to see how high price can go. So let's go ahead and break this down. So the market here on December 19th hit our support area, which would have been like 25-26% down in that particular prediction. However, we will get rid of this pocket of buying there, but we will create one pretty much right in the same area. Okay, so like I said, right there around $100 is where the market buyers is trying to tell us they're willing to buy and support the price in Litecoin. We will show you and create another pocket of selling, which is right around here. Okay, and that's the reason why Litecoin is currently only up 1.06% and it's currently hitting that pocket of selling now. So as we transition over to a different time frame, we want to see what's the probability of us seeing Litecoin breaking this seller's pocket to the upside. Because if it's pretty good, then we need to anticipate higher prices. So here it is on the 2-day chart. What do you guys think about this? Does it look bullish to you? Or do you think the sellers are going to come back into the market in Litecoin and potentially try to push it back down? Here it is on the 3. Take a look at that. We're getting a buy signal already on the 3. However, we still have a day and 13 hours left. Take a look at Litecoin on the 4. This is pretty good on the 4 because we saw buyers here on this 4-day bar. Sellers came through, but then the buyers stepped back in right there around that $99 to $100 level, which gives us a basis that we know at least, where the sellers, where the buyers are. Here's Litecoin on the 5, same thing pretty much. Here it is on the weekly chart. 3 more days, 13 hours. Currently, the market doesn't look extremely bearish, all because of what is currently being displayed on that weekly price bar. Here it is on the 2. Take a look at Litecoin on the 3. Here it is on the 5. And then for the month of December, look at what happened. So this just completely tells us how much selling occurred into the market in Litecoin. There was a lot of selling hitting the price in Litecoin at these pockets of selling throughout the month of December, which is why the market ended exactly where it opened and closed during the month of November and the beginning of December. Now, look at where the market is closed, or look at where the market has closed in Litecoin versus right here. Okay, because back on these particular months in 2023, June and July, and then again March and April of last year, the market got seen as resistance there, and the market closed right below that area. We would like to have seen price in Litecoin close above that area, but that didn't happen, which could potentially add to the overall weakness into the market for this cryptocurrency. Okay, so again, it's going to be real imperative for us to see these buyers in Litecoin try to eliminate those sellers there. For me, I think there's a slight potential for that to occur, but it's not extremely strong. Like, this cryptocurrency is not extremely bullish right now. So you can see it right here. Okay. So to me, it could go either way. And when I get this type of understanding, thesis, and visuals of what price can potentially do, I stay away. So I'm not going to waste any more of your time. This is just going to be put on ice. I'm going to put this on pause and see which side of the market actually won it. And we will get that answer once we see which one of these pockets, selling or buying, does the price break. So if we see price in Litecoin break this to the upside, then we know that the buyers really want it. But if they don't, which we already can tell sellers are controlling the price, then we would expect the price to continue to drift and go lower. So I just need a little bit more information, and that would be made once we see the type of reaction we get right here. Okay, because right now, even though I can see a slight edge in the buyers on a short time frame, we also have to consider what we're seeing on the longer term charts and what the current trend and direction is, which is down. Okay, so let me just put this right here. I'm just going to save that, and we'll see what happens in Litecoin going forward. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.